Hey, Tiana here from Mind Body Movement Center. I wanted to show this kind of energy clearing movement that I like to do in classes, but also give to my clients if they're just feeling kind of stuck, or if they're feeling like they have stuff they've just wanted to get rid of energetically, or if they just need a break from sitting and doing a lot of heavy kind of thinking work. And I probably got this from somewhere else, so I'm sorry if I'm stealing it. I don't know. With all classes and things that I've taken throughout the years, you know, we start to kind of pull from all the different teachers. So I'm sorry I can't give you a reference of where I got this from or if I made it up. So we're coming out into kind of goddess or horse stance. And if you look at the side, it's more like a flat back. And as we're moving through here, this is going to shift and change. So it's not going to stay perfect. So the motion, rising up, inhale, gathering what you need. Exhale, pushing down and letting go of what you don't. So it's an inhale to rise and an exhale to drop. Now I'm going a little bit low, so you could also do this in a version of, you know, where you're just doing little knee bends. One is not better than the other. It's just a movement and an energy, a movement of energy. So if you have a lot to get rid of, inhale and exhale, make it a breath. So a quick exhale, inhale. You could also move through it slower. All right, and the final one, pausing in goddess pose or horse stance. Palms coming together, elbows drawing out, shoulder blades are broad. 2 full breaths. Belly expands. Belly draws back in, exhale. Good, rising up, inhale. Exhale, hands come back behind. Inhale, open. Exhale. One last. All right. That was it. All for now. See you next time.